Quick Start 10 Tactics to Profit Acceleration. Reactivate former customers. Reactivating former customers may be the simplest, lowest cost, most overlooked method for immediately increasing revenue. Why do clients stop doing business with you? There could be any number of reasons, many of which have nothing to do with the way you performed for them in the past. They've been busy. They've had something happen in their personal life that distracted them from their normal routine. They simply forgot. Think of the reasons you don't go to the dentist when you know you should. It may have nothing to do with the way the dentist treated you. Other things in life just come up, and you don't do what you know you should. These clients know so much about you already, and unless their circumstances have completely changed, or they had a bad experience with you in a previous transaction, they might easily be persuaded to begin that buying relationship again. A yoga studio had approximately 200 paying members and 400 past members. They sent an email to the past members, and about 30 of them came in and started again. That was an instant 15% growth. What's more, they thanked the studio owners for reaching out to them. There are 3 keys to effective implementation when you reactivate former customers. Number 1, ensure that you clearly communicate your most compelling benefits. Show people that they'd be foolish not to come back to you. Number 2, make them an offer to help them feel valued and special. It could be an additional 15% discount, or better yet, something you bundle in that has a high perceived value. Number 3, be systematic and persistent in your effort. If the initiative hinges on one person who is also swamped with other tasks, then it could easily fail. Remember one crucial point. You're not there just to sell an item or a service. You're there to rebuild an ongoing buying relationship with that client. And understand this, if you have 100 clients and 100 former clients, and you can convince just 5 of them, or 5%, to begin buying from you again, you've grown your business 5%. 5% is our conservative number we're looking for. It's something most businesses can easily achieve with a minimal effort, and the overall impact is going to be exponential. As you can see from our business example, there's typically no cost involved when implementing a reactivation strategy. This is an excellent way for any business to immediately increase both revenue and profits. Here's to your success.